Hi, welcome to week 5 of online learning. Thank you to everyone that completed your assignments from last week. That was lesson 8. And then some of you have asked about extra credit opportunities. Lesson 9 on keystone species was 2 different extra credit opportunities that you could do. So if you haven't done that and you would like some extra credit, lesson 9 is there for you to do. I am reorganizing some things a little bit for our last unit that we're starting this week. So instead of having one folder with each lesson, like lesson by lesson, I'm gonna do a folder for each week. So this is week 5, and it goes from May 4th through May 10th. So inside that folder will be this video, this weekly update video, as well as all the materials that you need to complete lessons 1 and 2. Some of you provided some feedback on my survey that I sent out. Thank you very much if you did that. Some of the things that you said included that you didn't want, overwhelmingly, people didn't want more different kinds of things. So you wanted the structure of biology to stay the same for this last unit, which is fine. So each lesson will require that you complete a student activity sheet and an exit ticket. You also said that some people were frustrated or concerned about the length of the lessons. And I'd just like to remind you that in person, we did like 3, sometimes 4 lessons a week. And so you have 6 days to complete 2 lessons. If you need to spread those out, give yourself more time, take breaks, that's fine. We've tried to kind of condense it down into what we really think is essential for you for moving forward out of honors biology and into future science classes. So if you feel like the lesson is dragging on, walk away from it for a little bit, a day, maybe even. That's fine. So we are starting our last unit today, this week, which is how can planting trees reduce the impacts of climate change. So this week we'll have lessons 1 and 2. Lesson 1 will be focusing on the process of osmosis, and lesson 2 will be focusing on the process of photosynthesis. So some of those things might be familiar to you. Hopefully you've heard of those processes before. But as this is a high school honors class, we're kind of increasing what you should know about it. I am not making the outlines for each lesson. If you were using those documents before, I'm sorry, but I think the student activity sheets have enough detail in them that it's all you need. So there isn't a slides document for lesson 1. It's just the student activity sheet and the exit ticket. So when you're going through the student activity sheets, please look through those carefully. There will be links to websites with readings and videos in these lessons, and you need to check those out. You need to go to those websites in order to complete those student activity sheets. So we tried to make those as easy to follow as possible. For lesson 2 on photosynthesis, there are slides, and those slides are really just meant to support and kind of help visualize some of the things that we discuss. So if you're struggling with the student activity sheet, take a look at the slides for lesson 2 on photosynthesis. We only have 3 weeks left of this week and then 2 weeks after that. The due date for all in-person and online learning assignments is Tuesday, May 26th. So please make sure that you are on track to complete everything at that point. And then the rest of that week, I'm going to be calculating grades and reaching out to you about your final grade for this class. Just a reminder that if you are trying and submitting assignments, your grade will remain what it was when all this began. If you're not doing the assignments, then your grade absolutely can and is dropping. So please make sure that you're keeping up with the assignments and you're asking for questions and asking for help when you need it. No one really comes to office hours, so I don't even think I'm going to do them for the last few weeks. But I'm always available: phone, text, email, Schoology message. Please reach out when you have questions. If you want to do just like a one-on-one video chat, I'm happy to set that up. I'm here for you. I miss you. I want to help you. You don't have to learn all this on your own. I'm still here to help answer any questions that you have. So, this is week 5. Please complete lessons 1 and 2. And, for lesson 2 for photosynthesis, there is a simulation that goes with it. Mr. Vielhauer is one of the other biology teachers, and he recorded a screencast for both parts of the computer simulation. Those are both in Schoology. They're called like photosynthesis simulation screencast. So check those out if you want to just watch the simulation instead of trying to do it yourself. Or if you try to do it yourself and it's not working or you're stuck. So check out that as a resource, or just do the simulation and let me know what questions you have or what issues you have. And I miss you, and let me know what you need. And I hope that you are having a great day.